Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Halo alamal, ik het Nova and welcome to Study with Nova. So today it is quite different than before. Yes, because we got Python crash course here, and then we continue in the chapter 10 actually. Yes, we got it in the chapter 10, and then we just only have like a three questions in the chapter 10, and then after that we have like 3 questions in the chapter 11, and then after that we got the portfolio projects. Wow, amazing. I make a video, this video from October 2024 last year, and then for one by one we got a lot of questions here, and then we solve one by one, and then I want to make just only one video, always one video per day, and then yeah, we got it. We nearly ended this video, so I want to show you how to what's the question about 10 12 about combine 2 programs from exercise 10-11 into one file, and then if the number is already stored, report the favorite number to the user. If not, for the user's favorite number and store it in a file. Run the program twice to see that it works. So that's the question from 10-12. Let's start it. Yes, the first one, we just import the model from pathlib, import path here. Then we just import JSON, right? Import JSON because we use JSON here, and then after that we have like a variable name is same say before, right? And then here we have like number JSON as a path, and then we just using try and accept. So here I would like to make this some variable for the content, and then we just path dot read text here. Is it true? Let's try it, and then accept. File not found error. If the file is not found, we got number is here, so we get the input. What's your favorite number? And then why it's wait. Listen to for the favorite number, and then write text, not write bit. Write text for the content here, and then favorite number is to JSON that dumps here. JSON that loads, not dumps, because we just loading, not writing, right? Loads from the content, and then the print. That's the printed F. I mean like this F. I know your favorite number is your favorite number. Where is favorite number? Here. So this is the questions about, this is in our last in 10, 11 here. We have like one questions, one that's pay, what is your favorite number, and then we have like a number that JSON here. Yeah, we must make a 2 file. I think that's why the first one is number. And after that, we in the 10, 12, we just only make a 1 file to make sure that everything is consist. So let's try here. Is it working properly or not? 10, 11. Yes, because I have the 11 is 17 in the number, but number, no, wait a minute, number here. But how if I would like to another path, numbers maybe here. So we writing here numbers dot here, the new JSON that is different path here, and then what is your favorite number? Maybe I like to 7. Wait a minute. This is the input is not integer. Let's see. And then here we know that there is number 7 is JSON. Yes, the string, right? Okay, that's the string, not integer. So I would like to change this here if you want to, because this is the number. Make sure that the input is like the number is integer. You must add the integer here, here, and then you try again. No. Okay, it's not. Maybe like this. I wanna delete this first. Delete, and then back here, you know, and then here 9 maybe. So I wanna edit shape like this, that path with the content. If we have like the content here, and then just I will remember that to add that. If you have like, if we don't have like a numbers that JSON example, I delete this numbers that JSON, we have no file, no path, right? And then we must add the path here, and then what's your favorite number here, and then we just add, and then after that we can get printed. I will remember that, right? So let's try here example JSON 2 numbers 2 here. We have not like a path numbers 2 here, it's JSON here, and then we add here what is your favorite number. I must be an integer here, maybe in a 9 100. So the question is, I will remember that. This is our first, and the second one, we just calling the else is because we have like numbers to the JSON, right? So we just from here to the else here to load your contents. So that's why the output is be, I know your favorite number is 1x6. That's right. So that's why this is the questions. Okay, and don't forget to add your to GitHub, right? I have like add favorite number here, and then Yep. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, let's try another questions. Bye.